an upscale sports lounge. We want to be a step above the standard for bars and restaurants in terms of food, comfort, and service. The biggest thing we do is be personable. Greet all of our tables, talk to all of our guests, make sure we can build a relationship with them. From a small business owner perspective, you do everything you can to tell everybody how much you value them, but sometimes you can't be there for every experience. The customer complaints that we would get would be involved with tables that would be wobbly. We try to have our servers help, but for sanitary reasons, we really don't want our servers going down on the ground and getting their hands and knees dirty. But using the flat bases, all of those customer complaints have gone away. At my business, people are sharing appetizers, and we'll put a plate out on a table, and the other table won't be level, so the plate will be kind of tipping over, and that doesn't happen with the flat bases. You know, throwing napkins or coasters under a table is not a good representation of who we are. We're never buying another table base again, only flat bases.